I've had the luxury of working with a few students we hired directly from the program in the last several years. Not only they brought technical expertise to the company, they also bring in fresh perspective and the ability to apply leading edge technology to solve problems.
Daily headlines are emphasizing the rapid transformation and importance of AI in the business world. Yet so many of those headlines highlight that most business ventures leveraging AI ultimately fail. The Master of Science in Business Technology and AI program teaches students to build, manage, and implement technologies to solve real-world business problems. The program is designed for early career professionals and recent graduates who have technical backgrounds to extend that knowledge in emerging fields like AI and cloud computing. What's unique about our program is that we train students in a business school, which provides our graduates with a unique strategic business insight, which is what's needed to thrive in today's digital economy. The MSBT in AI program prepares students to understand the mathematical foundations that drive AI and generative AI technologies, to use various AI models to analyze and interpret business data, to develop and deploy cloud-native, AI-enabled applications and distributed systems, to implement cybersecurity strategies and manage digital risks in enterprise environments, and to leverage AI and cloud technology to drive business innovation, digital transformation, and organizational change. This cutting-edge curriculum is at the forefront of what's happening right now in the world of business and technology. The curriculum has changed every single year of the program's existence to keep pace with the demands of business needs and challenges. Examples of courses include AI in the enterprise, generative AI, fundamentals of neural networks and machine learning, product management, and business problem solving with unstructured data and Gen AI. The program responds to an industry need for careers at the intersection of business and technology. Companies ranging from large Fortune 100 companies to small startups have all seen significant value in our graduates. Our recent graduates have gone into roles such as AI forward deployed engineer, AI engineer, data engineer, senior data analyst, technical product manager, customer success manager, and solutions architect. Our MSBT and AI program takes students with technical expertise and skill sets and pushes that knowledge in a business school where they learn how to leverage their extensive tech skills to lead digital transformation.